Welcome to Nick's Finance, where we're about to embark on an exciting journey towards boosting your credit score to new heights. Why does it matter, you ask? Well, imagine the possibilities that open up when you have a stellar credit score. From getting that dream mortgage to securing a business loan or to even enjoying better interest rates, the benefits are endless. So fasten your seatbelt and prepare to discover the secrets, strategies, and tips that will skyrocket your credit score. Stick with us and together we'll pave the way to financial success. Get ready for an empowering adventure you won't want to miss. Understanding the basics of credit scores. Credit scores, my friend, are like the wizards of the financial realm. They hold immense power and influence over our financial lives. But have you ever wondered what they truly are and how they come to be? Well, let's embark on this journey of discovery together, shall we? At its core, a credit score is a numerical representation of how reliable and trustworthy you are when it comes to handling credit. It's a complex calculation that takes into account various factors. We're talking about things like your payment history, the amount of credit you're currently utilizing, the length of your credit history, the different types of credit you have, and even recent credit inquiries. These elements work together to shake that mystical number at the key to your creditworthiness. By understanding these foundational basics, you'll have the knowledge to make smart moves and take control of your credit score. Creating a solid foundation. All right, my friend, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of creating a rock-solid foundation for your credit score. Imagine this, paying your bills on time like clockwork, keeping those credit card balances low, and steering clear of unnecessary credit inquiries. These seemingly small actions hold immense power, laying the groundwork for a credit profile that's bound to impress. But wait, there's more. We'll also uncover the importance of having a diverse mix of credit accounts. Think of it as adding some flavor to your financial picture. Not only does it beef up your credit profile, but it also opens doors for new opportunities. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work, my friend. With every smart financial move you make, you're not just boosting your credit score, but you're paving the way for a future filled with success and financial abundance. Are you ready? Let's do this. Developing healthy financial habits. Imagine tending to a beautiful garden of financial stability and resilience. To cultivate healthy financial habits, we need to explore some key strategies. First and foremost, effective budgeting is like the compass that guides our financial journey. It involves carefully tracking our income and expenses, ensuring that every dollar has a purpose. It's the art of mapping out our financial landscape. Another crucial habit is living within our means. It's about finding that sweet spot where our spending aligns with our income, allowing us to avoid the pitfalls of debt and reckless overspending. And let's not forget about building an emergency fund, the safety net that catches us when life throws unexpected curveballs. These habits not only strengthen our credit history, but also lay the groundwork for long-term financial stability. So let's wholeheartedly embrace these practices and sow the seeds of a prosperous financial future. Together, we'll nurture our financial garden and watch it flourish with abundance and security. Utilizing credit responsibly. My friend, let's have a heart-to-heart about the art of responsible credit utilization. Credit can be a double-edged sword, you know. But fear not, for I am here to guide you through the ways of using credit wisely. Imagine this, handling credit cards like a seasoned financial wizard, gracefully avoiding the temptation to max out those limits, and instead paying off balances in full every month. It's like performing enchanting magic tricks that make debt disappear before your very eyes. But there's more to this spellbinding tale. We'll also delve into the perks of strategic debt management, finding that perfect balance between paying off debts and building a sturdy credit profile. By embracing the art of responsible credit use, we not only elevate our credit score but also gain a sense of financial empowerment. So my friend, are you ready to wield the power of responsible credit utilization? Let's make some financial magic happen and embark on the journey to lasting financial success. Together, we've got this. Monitoring your credit report regularly. Keeping an eye on our credit reports is like guarding our financial kingdom. Let's chat about the importance of regularly checking our credit reports and how it keeps our credit score healthy. First things first, knowing how to get those free credit reports from the major credit bureaus is key. It's like unlocking a treasure trove of financial info. Once we've got them, it's time to scrutinize. It's like playing detective, searching for any errors or red flags. But that's not all. We'll also discuss the importance of identity theft protection. It's like having armor to defend our credit kingdom from scammers. By monitoring our credit reports regularly, we not only ensure the accuracy of our financial history, but also stay proactive in protecting ourselves. So let's put on our detective hats and be the guardians of our credit realm, implementing advanced strategies. My ambitious friend, it's time to unlock the secrets of advanced credit strategies. Are you ready for the next level? Imagine this: credit card churning, a skillful dance that requires meticulous planning to maximize rewards and elevate your creditworthiness. It's like a thrilling game where you strategically navigate the credit landscape. And let's not overlook the power of authorized user arrangements. It's like borrowing a touch of someone else's credit magic to give your own score a boost. Lastly, there's the symphony of strategic account management. Think of it as conducting an orchestra, harmonizing your credit accounts to optimize your credit profile. These advanced strategies, my friend, hold the potential to make a world of difference when executed with finesse. So let's embrace the challenge, embrace the excitement, and soar to new heights with our credit scores as our wings. Together, we'll journey towards a future filled with financial prosperity and accomplishments, celebrating your success and setting new goals. Congratulations on your journey towards that remarkable 800-plus credit score. Take a moment to revel in your progress and give yourself a pat on the back. Just imagine the satisfaction of standing at the summit, knowing that you've opened doors to exciting new financial opportunities. But here's where the real excitement begins: leveraging your excellent credit for future goals. Whether it's purchasing your dream home or funding that business venture you've always dreamed of, your stellar credit score becomes your trusted ally, like a gentle wind beneath your wings, propelling you towards your aspirations. So let's take a moment to celebrate how far you've come and set new goals to conquer. With each milestone you achieve, you're one step closer to creating the life you've always desired. Embrace the journey and let your credit score be the catalyst for turning your dreams into reality. And there you have it, my friend. The ultimate roadmap to take your credit score to incredible heights of 800 and beyond. Remember, the key to success lies in understanding the significance of a high credit score, cultivating solid credit habits, keeping a close eye on your credit report, diversifying your credit, maintaining old accounts, seeking guidance when necessary, and practicing patience. If you found this guide helpful and empowering, we would absolutely love it if you could show us some love by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Stay connected with Nix Finance for more insightful content that will guide you on your journey towards financial prosperity. Here's to your credit score soaring to new heights.